Hello everyone! In this video we will draw a figure from the cartoon Inside Out 2. First we draw the eyes, then the nose, the pupils inside the eyes, the eyebrows, then we prescribe the head, or rather the open mouth and teeth. We contour the neck, short collar, bow. We draw one arm, belly and legs, shoes, then we draw the hands. First the first hand, and there will be a chest print on the clothes. Now we will paint, of course. He himself will be lilac purple in color. The shirt is blue. The trousers are dark blue. And a red bow. Hooray! We're done drawing fear. Thank you for